All right, let's dive right into this explainer and completely solve a grammar headache that trips up, well, pretty much everyone at some point. Whether you're an ESL learner, prepping for an exam, or just wanting to sound a bit sharper in your everyday emails, you have absolutely second-guessed yourself on this one. Today, we're conquering reciprocal pronouns. Specifically, we're figuring out exactly when to use each other versus one another.
So picture this. We've got two students, Ali and Omar, and they're doing something together. Ali helped Omar, and Omar helped Ali right back. Now, what is the most natural, grammatically correct way to say this without sounding super awkward or just repeating the same words over and over? Do we say they helped themselves, or do we say they helped each other? Just hold that thought in the back of your mind as we break the whole thing down.
Section 1, the core grammar rule.
Okay, so this rule, it is actually incredibly simple once it clicks for you. We use reciprocal pronouns, which are each other and one another, when two or more people do the exact same action to the other person. Imagine two people literally passing a help card back and forth. That bouncing, back and forth energy, that is exactly what reciprocal pronouns represent. It's all about mutuality.
Moving on to section 2, two people versus groups. Now, here is where the magic happens. The absolute key is just counting the people involved. When there are exactly two people doing the action, we use each other. For example, if Sarah and Huda are texting, it's just Sarah and just Huda, passing those messages back and forth. Because it's a closed loop of exactly two people, each other fits perfectly. But what happens when that action spreads out? If you've got a whole busy classroom of students celebrating, meaning 3 or more people, we upgrade our phrase to one another. So just 2 people, you use each other. A group of 3 or more, you use one another. Seriously, it really is that straightforward. All right, section 3, fixing the themselves mistake. Now this is the trap so many people fall into, and it gets messy fast. If you say they helped themselves, it literally means each person independently did their own thing. Like they poured their own glass of water at a buffet, or tied their own shoes. It's an isolated action. But saying they helped each other correctly means they swapped that help. Ali helped Omar, and Omar helped Ali. Let's look at another classic mistake. My brothers always argue themselves. Think about the logic there for a second. Siblings don't just stand around arguing with their own brains in total isolation, right? The correct sentence is, my brothers always argue with each other. The whole act of arguing inherently requires that back and forth exchange. And here we are at section 4, the 3-question challenge. You've got the golden rule. You know the common traps, so let's see if you can instantly spot the right pronoun. Question 1. Read this sentence featuring 2 people. The 2 friends smiled at blank. I'm going to pause for 3 seconds so you can lock in your answer.
Did you nail it? The answer is each other. Because there are exactly 2 friends passing that smile back and forth, each other is the absolute perfect fit.
Okay, let's try question 2. The team members supported blank. Think about a whole team of people doing this action. 3 seconds, go. Yep, the correct answer is one another. Since a team is a large group of 3 or more doing the exact same supportive action, one another is exactly what you need. For our final challenge, question 3, you've got to fix the mistake. Omar and Ali called themselves. Spot that super awkward reflexive pronoun and just rewrite it in your head. And the fixed sentence is Omar and Ali called each other. Because we've got exactly 2 people exchanging a phone call, they definitely didn't just dial their own numbers. And just like that, you've mastered the difference between a solitary themselves and a mutual each other. It's honestly fascinating how just a couple of tiny words can completely shift a sentence from a lonely, isolated action to one of actual human connection. So next time you're speaking or writing, ask yourself, are you doing it alone or are you doing it with one another?